Hey guys, Dotson guys here with MarineMax Charleston. Today I want to show you guys a brand new in-stock Scout 277 that we just received. Finally getting some of those stock boats rolling in, so you'll see more and more of these videos popping up. Feel free to reach us with any questions about incoming boats. We did this boat in the midnight blue hull color, so full hull upgrade. The standard rub rail with the stainless steel insert. That standard windlass system. Moving to the back, we paired this one with twin Mercury 200 V6s in the Scout White. So that is a custom ordered option for this particular one. We've also got fender pros. Carl's going to come in here and zoom in here. These are common question of what a fender pro is. It's a quick disconnect fender pin. If I push that button, these pins come out, but I can preset my fenders right there for midship and my stern, conveniently for our guests to make it easier for us to hook up. We're going to take a moment. We're going to walk inside. Alrighty, guys. Now that we're in the cockpit, we're going to show you how much space they're able to give us with this particular model. So they pushed out this aft seat a little bit towards the transom, gave us all of this cockpit space between here and the leaning post. We have this leaning post with the optional 65-quart Yeti that slides with gas-efficient shock. Convenient little cooler box there that's lit. Moving to the transom, the standard stern seat. Big, nice double wide. Good backrest height there. Scout's infamous storage access. So easy access to our pumps and filters for the long term. Also a great spot for a stern anchor or those big bulky items you want to stick down below. Coming over here, we do have the two twin fish boxes. These are diaphragm pumped with one on port and starboard. Tackle storage right here in the step. Large plano box. Lockable door for the transom walkthrough. And Carl, if we look past, let's look at this back transom. This is the full walkthrough transom, so full accessibility from port to starboard. Engines trimmed down in a marina situation. Awesome place to get in and out of the boat. This boat does have raw water and freshwater option. Here's our standard live well that's also insulated in the back. Moving to the front, we do have the rocket launchers on the hardtop. Moving up to the helm, we have the 10-inch upgraded Garmin. Push button starts for our Mercury V6s back there with the digital throttle and shift. Push buttons with illumination LEDs all the way around. Lockable glove box with USB chargers and 12-volt chargers. This boat does power up with a simple push of the button. Hold down one, the whole boat comes on. Hold down one again, it all gets off. Simply like unlocking your car. This boat does have the upgraded Edson steering wheel with that rubber back, and that tiltable helm is standard. We do have the flip bolsters on both port and starboard with the drop-down armrest. Moving, we do have the upgraded stereo system as well. So we've got the upgraded 10-inch JL audio with the amplifier and the larger JL speakers up in the hardtop. So there's nice convenient grab handles, and then spreader lights, both we have forward and in the bow, or aft in the bow, excuse me. This boat is equipped with the battery charging system. And then we have the porcelain head upgrade. Battery access in the back, nice convenient storage. Walking right here to the back, the standard port entry door is now a standard option on this 277. So great easy access in and out, whether you're swimming up or you're docking. Moving to the bow, big elegant lounge. They were able to widen these gunnels just slightly. If you'll pan right here, Carl, you'll see how they were able to bump out. They were able to bump out these bolsters, get us that extra space all the way out to that hull flare, that the maximum tolerance we can handle. Removable backrest for those tighter days. Dry storage on both port and starboard that goes tucks underneath that forward lounge. Nice and clean, fit and finish all the way through with the Scout boats. We do have the standard stereo remote, so we can control our zones here in the bow. Big forward locker for that big dry storage. You can also convert that to a secondary, or third, excuse me, fish box. We have the standard cooler box. So again, all these lockers I'm opening the bow are all foam insulated, guys. Moving to the bow, that standard windlass system. We did opt this one for the bow boarding ladder. So with the Scout, you can get both, not opposed to having just one. Rod holder, cup holders. So this particular boat has the forward bow shade. So we're going to put those extension poles right here in the front and then loop them back to the front of the hardtop and clip them in and tighten it down. Up top, we do have the Lumitech light bar on the front of the console. So we have all your needs set up for whether fishing or nighttime cruising. Guys, I hope you enjoyed your tour of this 277 LXF from Scout Boats. Again, my name is Dotson Geist. We have Carl Anderson behind the phone there. If you guys have any questions, feel free to reach us at 843-747-1889. Again, my name is Dotson Geist with MarineMax Charleston.